What we have. Hi, dear Virgo. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also, and third thing, this is a reading from uh, 30th of September till the 6th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the potential to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Virgo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the High Priestess. So someone is giving you some kind of silent treatment. So in the background, we have the Tower. So there was a breakup or separation, or there was a sudden falling apart in the situation, in your situation, in your connection between you and your person. It's like somebody is feeling like there's like some kind of distance between you guys. There's a lot of things that's left unsaid, unhealed, and either they are giving you silent treatment or they're feeling like you are giving them silent treatment. Okay, there's a lot to talk about, and there's a lot to communicate about, but there's a distance, emotional distance, and physical too might be for some of you. Yeah, this person is patiently waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you or reconnect with you again and heal the situation between you and them. This person is thinking a lot about how to come towards you and how to heal this situation between you and them, and how to start the situation all over again with love. It's like having a restart. This person is feeling like having a restart with you and heal the situation between you and them, but they're patiently waiting for the right time, or they might be patiently waiting for you to do something about it. So yeah, there's a period of silence or no contact or no communication, or there is a period of, even if you're talking, you guys are not talking too much. So something happened, but you guys are waiting for the right time, at least one of you. Let's see what this person let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Eight of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction. From your side, the right direction can be anything, but you definitely feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction with the right kind of mindset. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles as your feelings. We have the King of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Death card. Yeah, you are in this energy if you can't wait any longer. You feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction and making things right between you and a particular energy, making things very grounded, very mature, very stable between you and this particular energy. And because you can't wait any longer, you feel like putting situation on hold, and putting everything on hold is not going to work out anymore. So if you had choice between two people, now you feel like choosing the one person and sticking to that one person and moving forward with that person. Okay, you feel like having growth and expansion with that person, with that energy. Let's see what this person wants from you right now. You are being very practical rather than being emotional, rather than taking the situation with love. You are being very practical and you are being very grounded and mature. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Six of Cups. Wow, somebody wants reconciliation with you, honey. Somebody from your past wants to come back around and have reconciliation with you because they are missing you like crazy. There's severe nostalgia. There is severe energy of wanting you back in their energy field again. Wow. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. We have the King of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Ten of Swords. This person is showing me again and again and again. I did something wrong. I don't know. Okay, anyways. So the thing is that this person is showing me that they are no longer in this energy of wanting to wait for you anymore. They want to come forward and they want to have a reconciliation with you with a like with all of their heart and soul. Wow. This person is in love with you. They are showing me Six of Cups, King of Cups, Ace of Cups, lots of cups. So this person is realizing the love they have for you, and now they want you back in their life. Might be you're choosing someone else over them. Now you are putting in the effort and energy in the right direction, you feel like, and might be the right direction is another person, another energy. You are no longer interested in the person that you left behind, or at least you left one out of two people and you're heading towards something totally different, might be. But now the person that you left behind is feeling the love and they want you back in their life. My goodness, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? Always this is happening. Two of Pentacles, you want to let go of the confusion. Again, if you have two options to choose from, or if you were not able to make the decision in the past, now you want to make the decision and you want to stick to that decision for real this time. You're like, this is my final decision and this is how it is going to be. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles as what you want, your intentions. We have the Judgment, the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups. Yeah, you want to forgive and forget whatever happened between you and some other energies. I'm saying energies because you were dealing with multiple energies in the past. Okay, now you want to put in the effort and energy in a situation where you are getting the love from that situation. Instead of giving love to that situation, you want to put in the effort and energy in a direction where you are getting love from, right? So you are in this energy of letting go of the confusion. You want to let go of the confusion. If you were not able to decide between two people, now you want to decide between two people and you want to stick to one person, and now you want to put in the effort and energy in that direction with all of your heart and soul, but slowly, very slowly but surely, kind of a deal. And you want to go ahead in a direction where you are getting love from. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, you want to make it a match slowly but surely. King of Cups, Queen of Cups, you want to match your energies with somebody that you feel you can match your energies with. After a very, very long time, Virgo, I'm getting a very positive reading for you guys, that somebody here is wanting you back in their life. They want a reconciliation with you, and you are also opening up to something, or you are also opening up to someone that you feel is going to be a very good kind of energy for you. Ten of Cups in the outcome. Wow, Virgo, you are going to feel the happiness again in your love life, the kind of happiness that you were craving for from a very long time. Finally, the happiness is on the way for you guys. I'm so happy for you guys. Finally, it's happening. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups. We have the Six of Pentacles, the World card, the Sun card. It's like real happiness is on the way for you guys, Virgo. I'm really very, very happy for you guys. Somebody is going to make you feel very, very happy. You're like, one of your decision of not being able to make up your mind regarding a particular situation is going to change everything for you guys, and you're going to feel real happiness of love, of bonding, of soulmate connection, of equal give and take of energy in a particular situation between you and a particular person that you are interested in. And I do see a lot of happiness on the way, lot of love, lot of happiness. Finally, this not being able to come on the same page energy is going to end, and you guys are going to find happiness and a lot of love. Wow, wow, I'm so happy for you guys. The Devil in reverse, so all the toxicity, all the negativities, all the love curses that were put on you for some reason, I get that, are removed, or they will be removed. Wow, very, very soon. Let's see the guidance. Touch wood. I'm just very happy for you guys today. Okay, the love curse that was put on you like has been removed finally. Very good, very, very good. The guidance here is, this is your card only, Virgo. Hermit is your card only, Virgo, right? Move forward, but leave the past baggages behind, and whatever lessons you have learned from the past, please do not forget them at like in your life again. Okay, and move forward slowly but surely, right? Slowly but surely you can move forward, but do not forget whatever you have learned till this point of time, whatever lessons you have learned till this point of time in your love and relationship area. Those lessons were meant to make you something, meant to give you something beautiful, okay, in return. So whatever happened for a very good reason, and the reason was to make you learn some lessons that was required for your growth and happiness and expansion, okay, in your love and relationship area. So never, never, never forget those lessons, and always applies those lessons in the coming relationship, in the coming future. Okay, please, I repeat, please, but leave the past baggages behind, and keep the lessons and blessings with you, and keep moving forward with slow and steady pace. Very good. So happy for you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.